this really picked up my mood. Skincare and body care is not a fix for the mental stuff, but for me, it does at least help me start to find a path forward. So, because when I'm stressed and I'm tired, I film content, I make content, you guys get to enjoy it.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you got it right. Body do this unpolite. Tell me in a humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. All in who just said the right. I just wanna fit in a fit.
Because I'm feeling like not me right now, we're gonna dry brush. So I have this one from Sephora. This is the body wash. This is the Dove Exfoliate Away body polish. It's got the bahas and the ahas. As you can see, it's already been used. I like her. As usual, as you guys saw in my skincare video, these are the face washes that I use for my nighttime. Let's get the shower going. I'm gonna put on some music. I'm gonna live my best life in the shower. And when I come back, we'll do skincare and we'll talk about what's been bugging me. Yeah. Forgot to put in my contacts, so here we are. Time to go shower. After I had this existential crisis, I really had a crisis of self, I guess, is the best way to put it. It's close to my period, and I have just been feeling all types of feelings. Because I came to this realization, once again, that while I do my best to be reliable to other people, be reliable to friends, to family, whoever it is, I find I don't usually end up getting the same thing. And it's not to down anyone who knows me in real life or, feels this particular way. It's just, I'm impatient.
But we're using the Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean as per usual.
I'm literally impatient. I want to do things, but I always want to do them when I'm ready to do them, not when other people are ready to do them. So I have no one to blame for that but myself. The other part of that is that I am always constantly wanting to hear from people feedback, and I like hearing good things. Sometimes the bad things are also necessary and needed to hear because they require me to actually take a look and see who I am as a person. And it's hard sometimes because I really want to support people, and for me, I actually don't know or necessarily want to stop being that person, but I want to stop giving that part of myself away to people who will not do it for me as well. It's just sometimes the way that we want people to show love is not the way that people are able to give love that way. And coupled with that, every door is shut. So I have no choice but to make this work. I have no choice but to make this work. I want to create cool content. I want to do all the things that I see in my head that I'm so excited about doing that I spend hours obsessing over something so small that most people don't even notice. It's because of that I get out of bed every day to do this, and I have to keep telling myself to show up, because if I don't, I'm going to wallow in a pit of despair in my bed, and I'm never going to be able to do anything ever again. I'm 27 years old. I'm going to be 28 this year. It's insane to me that those are ages that I can get to, and not even on some 30s old tip. It's literally like, I'm really trying my best to continue to show up because the discouraging days are really hard right now. And we're done with the skincare portion. Let's move on to we put on the body oil, so we're already, first layer moisturized, and we put on perfume oil. What do I am like? This is the EOS Evolution of Smooth Shade Better 24-hour moisture body lotion in the scent Vanilla Cashmere. So I actually picked this up on a trip to Buffalo that me and my family took in November last year, and I've been testing this out since then. We're about here, bottle-wise. It's good, and it's really moisturizing, so I actually really like it. Let's get into it. If you're watching this and you're feeling the same way, and your content isn't giving you the numbers that you want, you're not feeling like you can actually get to where you want to be at, just know that you're not alone. I didn't want to cry. I just really want to speak life into everyone who's making content this year, life into your mental state, into everything that you do. There's only one you, and there's only one me. You're never going to find anyone who's going to be exactly like who I am. You're never going to find anyone that's going to be exactly like you. And I want to make sure that you know that, and you keep showing up every day, whether it's to your job, whether it's to the desk, whether it's just to make a piece of content to let people know that you're here. I don't care. Post it. Keep going. If I didn't keep going, I wouldn't have made money making content last year. That was the first time in my life that I ever have. I know that this has to be my path because every other door is shut. And what did they say in that song? Sometimes you have to speak over yourself. Sometimes you have to speak a victory over your test, no matter how they feel. Speak the word and you will be healed. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself. Again, remember, you deserve to be here. Don't you ever forget. Congratulations! You have officially made it to the end of this video. If you would like to see more of me, subscribe down below. If you would like to also see more of me, push that bell notification. You know where it is. I do not. I cannot see. Thanks again for being vulnerable with me. Thanks for having my back. I appreciate y'all so much because I'm not going to be vulnerable like this on another platform. I will see you next time. This has been my nighttime routine minus my toothbrushing because we're getting ready for that one. It's going to be a whole separate video. So that means you know it's going to be intense. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.